Are you suffering from rounded shoulder posture with a little bit thoracic kyphosis? Hi, my name is Annie. I'm a physical therapist with more than 20 years experience. And in this video, I'll be sharing some simple Pilates and yoga to help improve your upper back, shoulders, and thoracic posture. If you've been looking a lot down to your cell phone, or if you've been resting your elbows a lot in your desk area and in your computer, mostly 7 to 8 hours a day, and that's not healthy on your posture. It's good to take a break from sitting and join me on this lovely Pilates yoga to help your upper back posture. So let's begin the program in cross-legged position. So this is beginner friendly. You can just do this as well in your office if you have time, with your palms down to the mat. If you're sitting on a chair, then hold on your chair area or dangle it down to the side of your armrest and start tilting your head side to side to open that neck and shoulder blade down, really pushing down to the mat so you can really feel that deeper stretch as you exhale. And then inhale and then exhale, switch to the other side. Breathe in, breathe out. 4 more. 3, feels so good on your neck muscles, especially the side flexors because they get really tight fast as we age. 2 more. Last one. And usually I add new dynamics with the tongue movement because the tongue helps support your mouth and the deeper neck muscles. So as you tilt your head to the right, I'm going to stick my tongue out to the right. This will give you a deeper stretch on your scalenes, especially the anterior scalenes. And then tilt your head to the left, and then now my tongue is sticking to the left. As you stick your tongue out, you're going to feel a lovely stretch on your side neck flexors. And then switch again. And it feels good on your facial muscles as well. You're going to feel some ticks and clicks on your TMJ. If you have TMJ pain, this is a good way to stretch. 2 more. Last set. Well done. So after you stretch the side, now it's time to stretch the front. So with your hands on the side or reach behind you, I'm interlocking my fingers behind me, and I'm slowly looking up as I breathe out. You're gonna feel a beautiful stretch from your chin all the way down to your scapular muscles, all the way to your clavicle and sternum muscles, your platysma, your sternocleidomastoid muscles. And breathe out. Inhale as you look down. Exhale, look up. 3 more. 2 more. Last one. And now we are progressing with some tongue movements. So with your interlocked fingers, you're going to look up and you're going to stick your tongue out, trying your best to reach your tip of your nose. And then look down. Inhale, exhale. Stick your tongue out as you lean back. Tilt your chin up. And then look down. 3 more. 2 more. As you breathe out, stick your tongue out. Last one. Well done. So those are a lovely mouth exercises that you can do as well to help relieve. So now we're going to do some rotation for your shoulders. Pull it back as you breathe in and breathe out. 5 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now extend your arms. Palms up, elbows up. And now with this position, we're going to slowly pull your elbows towards your waist, keeping your palms up. And this is good for your carpal tunnel, so your wrists are really extended. So to stretch those major nerves of our fingers, your median, radial, and ulnar nerves. Those are major nerves of our upper body with your fingers open. So it's good for your tendons as well. And then inhale, extend your elbows again. Elbows level to your shoulders and your wrist and hand as well. Breathe in and then breathe out. Pull your elbows towards your waist, palms up. 4 more. Inhale, extend. Exhale, pull. 3 more. 2. Last one. Hold that position with your extended elbows, palms up, and then inhale, exhale, twist to the right. Inhale, back center, and then exhale as you twist to the other side. 4 more. 3 more, my friends. 2 more. Last one. Well done. Now we're going to slowly tilt our body. I'm shifting my body weight to the right as I place my right hand palms up down to the floor. So if you're sitting on a chair, you're just going to dangle your right arm and then lifting your left arm up as you look up to the ceiling. It's good neck stretch and then looking up, palms up, pointing my fingers to the ceiling as I breathe out. And then back to the tall sitting position with your palms up, elbows straight, and then I'm shifting my body weight this time to the left, resting my left hand down to the mat and lifting my right hand, pointing to the heavens, and breathe out. We have 4 more to go. Breathe in and breathe out. Inhale and exhale. 3 more. 2 more, my friends. Last one. Well done. Now I'm going to interlock my fingers, placing it behind my head. So this is a great way to really open your chest and pulling my elbows back as I look up, as I inhale, and then exhale, chin tuck. I'm rounding my shoulders, pulling my belly button towards my spine and pulling my elbows towards the midline and feeling that lovely stretch on my neck muscles. And then inhale, exhale, lift up, sitting up straight, pulling my elbows back again and looking up. Inhale, and then exhale, round and chin tuck. Breathe in, breathe out. 3 more, my friends. So inhale again, and then exhale as you go down, pulling my elbows inward, feeling that beautiful stretch all the way to my low back area, and then shifting my body weight, my tilting in, posterior pelvic tilt, and then lifting my elbows out, looking up, and anterior tilt. Last one, inhale, chin tuck, pulling my elbows in, opening my neck at the back, and then posterior tilt, leaning like an angry cat, and then to a camel in sitting position, looking up, breathing out, pulling my elbows out and breathe out. The last exercise is when you're gonna lean on one side, pointing my left elbow towards the ceiling as I pull my right elbow down, pointing down to the floor. So I'm shifting my body weight, opening my left rib cage and my left shoulder. I'm looking up towards the ceiling as I turn my head, neck rotation to the left. Feel that beautiful stretch on your neck muscles as I exhale. And then inhale, back center. Exhale, switch to the other side. Right elbow pointing to the heavens. And this time, my left elbow pointing down to the floor. And breathe out. Opening this time my right shoulder blade, my right rib cage. 4 more. Switch to the right, pointing up. 3 more. 2 more. Last one, my friends. And that's it. I'm hoping you enjoyed this beginner-friendly. You can do it at your desk area Gentle Pilates and yoga to help lengthen, strengthen your neck, shoulders, upper back, and thoracic spine without being on the floor on the mat. If you're so busy and you don't have time to take care of your posture, but even small, consistent workout is all you need to keep your posture, your strength, and your mobility strong and healthy. If you love this video and you want to learn more, you can subscribe in my channel. There's so much more to choose from Pilates, yoga, physical therapy, and core back immersion, where I'm gonna help you, guide you to strengthen your deep core muscles safely and effectively. As I'm gonna reopen my back masterclass on March 1st, you guys have been requesting when will I be opening it again. And if you want to join and be part of the early bird waitlist for a first come, first serve basis, because I want to keep it small and intimate. So click on the description below, be part of the early bird waitlist, write your name and email address, and I'll send you the link and get access of my new upcoming free 6-part video series about core back immersion, where I'm going to utilize Pilates, yoga, and physical therapy to strengthen your core, improve your posture, and regain life without back pain. I'll see you in my next video training. If you have time today, watch about core back immersion. There's video 1 that you can start right now and learn more about it. And this is video 2, learn about proper breath work. That's why in my videos, you'll see a lot of me taking deep breaths and reminding you to take deep breaths properly and engaging your pelvic floor and your deep core muscles safely. Until my next video training, always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy you. Bye!